acts that gave rise to the defamation and other claims were made with the requisite mental state. Judge Christopher Lopez said that the Connecticut State Court had clearly determined that Jones's conduct was willful and malicious, and this finding was, quote, also necessary to the judgment and the jury award of damages. Judge Lopez said, quote, these are specific findings about an objective certainty of harm and a subjective motive to cause harm in connection with the defamation, an intentional infliction of emotional distress. They are not, as Jones argues, superfluous findings about intent related to the plaintiff's harm. It is irrelevant that the state court could have awarded damages on reckless acts. What is important is what the court actually did. Here there are findings about a deliberate and intentional act meant to cause injury, not just a deliberate act that leads to injury. The state court also considered the additional factors listed above, but the focus remained on willful and intentional acts and not on a lesser standard like recklessness. In sum, the state court made specific findings that went directly to the amount of punitive damages. They were necessary to the judgment. So summary judgment is granted on the Denver CU TPA punitive damage. Judge Lopez ruled that almost all the damages were non-determinable